Hi, Vanessa here. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to crochet the Roman cluster stitch. I'm using Knit Pro's Mellow crochet hook. These are super cute. They come in this really cute pouch. The set here, it's a set of 7 hooks. The sizes are, this is 3 millimeters and it goes up to 6 millimeters. I'm going to use the 5.5, which is the size I, size 9. This is rose gold, one of my favorite colors. The wood on here, it's very smooth and comfortable to hold on to. It also comes with a tape measure, a foldable scissor. I actually have one of these that I carry in my purse, just in case, you need to cut something. Very handy. And a rose gold tapestry needle. I like these because you can use them for wool. It has a bigger loop, so it's easier for you to get those thicker, heavier weight yarns. Okay, let's get started. This stitch pattern is in multiples of 10 plus 5. So I'm just going to crochet a sample. So I'm probably going to chain 35. 10. Okay, so that's 30 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now we're going to crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. Okay, so this is the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. So right there, you're going to work a double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook into the 4th chain stitch. I like to work through the humps, the back side of the chain stitch. You have this flat side, and then if you turn it to the back, you have these bumps on the back. Okay, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. These 3 chain stitches count as 1 double crochet. Okay, that's 1 double crochet. Now into the next chain stitch, we're going to work another double crochet. So yarn over, into the next chain stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We're going to skip 3 stitches. This is the start of your repeat. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to work a 3 double crochet cluster and a chain 3 twice into this stitch here. To work your cluster, yarn over, skipping the 3 into that 4th chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. We're going to do that 3 times. Yarn over into the same chain stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, one more time, yarn over into the same chain stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through all 4. Now we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, into the same chain stitch where we're going to work another cluster, yarn over into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. One more time, yarn over into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through all 4 loops, chain 3, and then we're going to work 1 more cluster into the same stitch so that you have 3. Okay, that's 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so now we have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through all 4. We're going to skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and then over the next 3 chains, we're going to work 1 double crochet in each of those stitches. So 1, 2, 3 into the 4th, work 1 double crochet into the next chain stitch, 1 double crochet, and into the 3rd, 1 double crochet. So you should have 3 double crochet stitches over 3 chain stitches. Okay, so now we're going to repeat this cluster and then this set of 3 double crochets. So we're going to skip 3 again, 1, 2, 3 into the 4th. We're going to work our cluster. 1, 2, and 3. So there's one cluster, chain 3, and another cluster. So you basically have 3 clusters into the same stitch with chain 3s in between. Okay, chain 3, and your last cluster into the same stitch. Okay, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1 double crochet into each of the next 3 chain stitches. So that's 1 to the next, 2, and into the third one, 3. Okay. Go ahead and repeat across. Okay, I'm at the end. I'm going to skip 3 and then we'll finish off with 1 double crochet in each of the last 3 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 1 double crochet into the next, 1 double crochet into the next one, and then the last stitch, 1 double crochet. Okay, this is your foundation row, and this will be the right side of your work. Row 1, chain 3 and turn. So instead of chaining 3, you can start with a chainless double crochet. So you can do that by pulling up a tall loop and then holding your finger here so that it doesn't slip off. Bring your hook forward, back to the back, and back to the front. And then to the very first stitch, insert your hook. Make sure you keep your finger on that loop. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This is the wrong side. This counts as 1 double crochet. So you're going to work 1 double crochet on top of each of the next 2 double crochets. You're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then on top of this center cluster, you're going to work 1 single crochet. So if you look at the cluster, this right here is part of the chain 3 that you worked on the side. So where you want to insert your hook is in this larger stitch here, or larger stitch here. That's the cluster. So it's to the right of the cluster. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, 1 single crochet, chain 3 now, 1, 2, 3, and 1 double crochet in each of the double crochet stitches. And then you just repeat that across. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, into the center cluster, 1 single crochet. Okay, the top of the cluster, the center one, 1, 2, 3, 1 double crochet in each of the double crochet stitches. Chain 3, 1 single crochet. I'm at the end here, 1, 2, 3. So we have our 2 double crochets and the turning chain from our foundation. You're going to work 1 double crochet in each of those stitches. So 1, 2, and on top of this turning chain here, 3. Okay, row 2, chain 3 and turn. Again, this counts as a double crochet. Work 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 double crochet stitches. Just like the foundation row, we will work 3 clusters with chain 3s in between, and we're working that into the single crochet here. Okay, first cluster. That's 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, pull through all 4, and then 1, 2, 3 chains into the same stitch. Another cluster. That's 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yarn over, pull through all 4. 1, 2, 3. One last cluster. Now we're going to work 1 double crochet in each of these double crochet stitches. So for every row, for the double crochet stitches, you'll just work them right on top of the double crochets from the previous row. And you're just going to repeat that across. Okay, these are my double crochets. I'll work double crochets there, another cluster here, and then I'll work 3 double crochets here. 1 in each of the 2, and then this is the turning chain, so into the 3rd chain from this beginning chain 3. And here's the chain 3 from the beginning chain on this side, so that was your chain 3, that counts as a double crochet. So into the 3rd chain, 1, 2, 3, that's what we'll work in the last double crochet on row 2. If you worked the chainless double crochet, you'll see the loop on top. Okay, so you're going to repeat rows 1 and 2 until you're happy with your size. If you want to leave your edge like this is fine, but typically you will end with row 1, which flattens, straightens the edge of the stitch pattern. Okay, so here's the sample. It's not blocked yet. So I finished off with the flat edge here, which is row 1. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you